Come on kids, let's read today. Three-letter words in a fun new way. Short and simple, bright and clear. Learning words, let's start right here.
Cat is a pet that loves to play, runs and jumps the whole long day. Bat can fly in the evening sky, spreads its wings and zooms up high. Hat you wear upon your head, red or blue or green or red. Mots on the floor to wipe your shoes, colors bright for kids to choose.
Say it loud! Cat, hat, 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 hat. Say it loud! Cat, hat, 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 hat. Fan spins round to keep you cool, blowing wind in home or school. Pan is used when we cook food, keeps it tasty, warm and good.
Van takes people here and there, drive around from anywhere. Man walks by with a gentle smile, helps others once in a while. Free make some letters, need a word, easy sounds that can be heard. Read them soft or read them strong, kids can learn them with this song.
Bed is where we rest at night, dreams come flying soft and light. Red like roses blooming bright, colors shining in daylight. Net is used to catch a ball, use it gently, don't let it fall. Pen we write with every day, letters, shapes and words to say. Say them loud. Bed,
Red, net,
hey, say them loud.
bet, net, net, net.
Hey.
Pen is tiny, sharp and small, keep it safe, don't let it fall. Bin to throw your rubbish in, keeps the house all neat and clean. Lip is where your smile begins, show your joy with happy grins. Sip the water nice and slow, helps you grow and makes you glow.
Dog is friendly, cute and fun, wags its tail for everyone. A logie is wood from forest ground, lying still without a sound.
Pot to boil your milk or tea, in the kitchen happily. Top you spin with all your might,
Round and round, what a sight.
act like a cat and crawl around, jump like a dog without a sound. Point to the sun up in the sky, wave your hat and say goodbye.
Spin like a top, 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 don't go too fast. Touch your lip and smile at last.
I think
Cap, cap, clap, cap, clap, all are easy. Clap, 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 cap, clap, cap, clap, all are easy. Clap, clap, clap.
hand, ten, mend, and say them once and say again. Reap, sit, bit, fit, three small letters, this is it. Cup to be rubs, learning words is full of fun.
Box to keep your toys inside, open it pride to tries inside. Open it wide with happy pride. Fox with orange shiny tail,
Run so quick on every trail,
jam and sweets on bread we eat.
yummy treat that tastes so sweet.
Yak from hills with wool so thick,
Walks through snow slow and quick,
three-letter words we learned a lot.
simple sounds and easy thought.
Read them slowly, read them clear.
You're a super reader, dear.
Three letters join and make a word.
Reading magic can be heard.
Say them proud and sing along. Kids learn fast with this long song.